Hello everyone, it's Loretta, and today, in spite of my hot mess of a desk, I'm going to show you how to make your very own sticker binder to hold your stickers for your planners or scrapbooking or whatever. This is so simple. You're going to need a laminator, some scrapbooking paper, some binding rings if you choose to bind yours with a disc bind system, which I find very easy, and of course some stickers. You'll also need a tape runner and a hole punch or a binding punch. First thing I'm going to do is make the covers for my book. This paper is going to be cut to 11 by 8.5. I'm going to simply put my scrapbooking paper inside of my laminating pouch, and I'm going to run this through my laminating machine. Alright, I have laminated what is going to become the covers for my sticker book, and I'm going to cut this down to 5 3/4. When you buy these laminating sheets, they're either anywhere from 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch larger all the way around than the actual piece of paper that they're meant to carry. So keep that in mind. But I do know that with the laminating sheet that this measures in halfway at 5 3/4. So there they are, cut in half, and now I took some white cardstock. This is just plain, ordinary, cheap Walmart brand cardstock, and I laminated it to make my interior pages, and I'm going to cut these down to 5 3/4 as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my Create 365 The Happy Planner Punch and create the holes for the binding. When you're looking at your punch, you're going to notice that there are some lines. And I'm going to line my paper up way down here. I should say I'm going to line up the laminate way down here with this mark before I punch it, so that every single one that I punch is going to be the same. I'm going to continue this process until I have all of the pages punched. Okay, now that we have everything punched, I'm going to go ahead and put my binding disc in. These are a little over an inch. They're maybe 1.5 inches. And I purchased mine from AliExpress. I will leave a link to them down below. I will also leave a link to the laminating machine that I prefer to use, as well as the Happy Planner Punch down below. When I'm able to, I do use affiliate links, which means that if you shop using the link that I provide, I do get a small commission at no additional cost to you. Now that all the pages are in, you're simply going to put your cover on. As you're going along, especially if you decide to use binding disc, you're going to want to just turn them to be sure that they don't bind up, so that you can turn the pages real easily, which you can. And you can add to this or take out anytime you want. Really easy, they just pressure fit in. Once again, this is a book that I made for my stickers earlier. This is my second one I made. I've made 3 altogether. One has yet to be filled, but you simply just open it. Now I did put a little folder in here. It's got some pockets. Isn't that fun? And then the stickers. Now you can leave them on their sticker sheet and just simply use a tape runner or glue dots Like this one is actually held in place with a tape runner. And this is one of those like booklet types, and I just put it over the top of the page. And then these are just laminating sheets without any paper in them that I sent through my laminator and hole punch for more stickers. And like this one here, this is the sticker book that I have made for my winter and Christmas items. You can use glue dots or a tape runner, whatever you have. And you don't even have to take them off their sheet. And these will fit just perfectly. You can trim down their backer sheets if you need to. These will fit nicely on a shelf or in a basket. You can make them to match with all the same type scrapbooking paper or folders or whatever it is that you are using. I hope that you'll give this a try, and if you do, give me proper credit. If you haven't and you'd like to be subscribed to my channel, leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget, share my videos on your social media. Stay happy and be a blessing. Always be kind to one another. Life is just too short not to be. Bye for now.